In front of me is VIVO V30 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, launch it. Hit OK and go into Tab menu. Now use this pen at the top right corner, scroll down. Swipe to the right. In order to access Caffeine shortcut, hold it and drag it to add it to your current ones. Then let go and click on it to activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!